Hello children, today I will give you some domestic animals name in English with Bodo language. With the English words, you can learn some Bodo words. Now, let's go! This is cow. Cow is called moso in Bodo language. This is cat. The cat is called Mauzi in Bodo language. This is dog. Dog is called Suima in Bodo language. This is goat. The goat is called Burma in Bodo language. This is pig. The pig is called Oma in Bodo language. This is cock. The cock is called Dauladau in Bodo language. This is duck. The duck is called Hangsu in Bodo language. This is pigeon. The pigeon is called Tharo in Bodo language. Hello children, it's enough for today. Please subscribe the channel Dream of Kids. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.